Okay, here we go. Paddle forward. Lean in, lean in. Good job, good job, good job. Good job, everybody. Paddle back, paddle back, paddle back, paddle back. Stop. I know it's funny, but you know, guys, listen up. Sometimes you watch the show. Sometimes you could be the show. So keep us focused. Don't paddle, don't paddle. That's the upper Beaver. We're going for the lower Beaver. That's the name of the two rapids. This rapid in particular, once in a while, can flip a boat. Paddle back twice. So why that happen? We have to climb the left side on top of a rock, and it's gonna be sideways. If you guys on the left fall on this side, there is a super quick flip. So you don't want to do that. You wanna hold your seat, doesn't matter what's the position of the boat. Got it? Jeff, you got it? Cool. Forward 2. Guy and Theo, you lean in, okay? Paddle forward. Take a break. Good job. Paddle back, paddle back, paddle back. Stop. Right side forward. Take a break. Woohoo! Paddle back, all back, all back. Paddle back. Take a break. Forward 2. Keep going. Take a break. Left side forward. Right side forward. Right side forward. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Paddle forward. All forward, all forward.